Hi there and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to learn how to make a starburst granny square. I'm using two different colors of a weight 4 yarn and a 3.5mm hook. Let's get right into it. We're going to begin with a slip knot and a chain of 4 and then slip stitch into the very first chain to create a circle. Instead of this step, you can go ahead and make a magic ring. From here, we're going to chain up 3. And this counts as a double crochet. After that, we're going to insert 11 double crochet into the circle that we just made. And double crochet is yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So repeat that for a total of 11 times, and I'll meet you at the beginning of the round. Once you've made it to the end of the round, you're going to slip stitch at the top of the chain 3 you did to end off the row, chain up 1 and cut your work, and we'll get started on round 2. So once you've completed the round 1, you're going to insert your hook under any one of the double crochets we just completed from the previous round and take your second color, and we're going to attach it by throwing it over our yarn, securing it with, I like to use my thumb and my middle finger, but do whatever feels natural to you. You're going to yarn over and pull up a loop and make sure you have a little bit of a tail end of the secondary color. From here, you're going to chain up 3, and this does count as a double crochet. We are now going to double crochet 3 together to make clusters in every stitch in the round. So the first cluster looks a little bit different because it has the chain 3. So I'm going to show you 2 of them. So this chain 3 counts as a double crochet. Your next stitch, you're going to start a double crochet but not complete it. So you're going to yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, and then you're going to stop. And then you're going to repeat exactly what you just did. So yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, and stop. You'll have 3 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over and pull through all 3 loops and chain 1. And that would be double crochet 3 together. So after your chain 1, you go in as if you're doing a regular double crochet, except you stop before the last pull through 2, and then you repeat yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. So this would be 2 incomplete double crochet stitches, and we need 3 of them. So go ahead and repeat that one final time. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. And now you'll actually have 4 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over and pull through all 4 and chain 1. So only the first cluster is different. Go ahead and repeat what we just did in all of the stitches, and I'll meet you at the end of the round. You should have a total of 12 clusters once we're done. So here we are at the end of the round. I just finished my last chain 1. From here, we're going to insert our hook and slip stitch to join at the top of that chain 3, chain up 1, and cut your work, and we'll get started on round 3. We've completed round 2. We're going to insert our hook in one of the chain 1 spaces and attach the first color that we were working on. Again, leave a little bit of a tail and pull up a loop. Here we're actually going to chain 4, and this counts as a treble crochet, and we are going to insert 2 more treble crochet in the same chain 1 space. So treble crochet is yarn over twice, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and one last time, yarn over, pull through 2. And these are not clusters, so when you add your third treble crochet, they will all be just regular separated treble crochet. From here, we're going to chain up 1, and we're working all of these stitches in the chain 1 spaces. You can see them when you pull on your work like that. We're going to go in with 3 double crochets in the chain 1 space. So 1, 2 and 3. And again, these were not clusters, right? So you can see the difference how these ones are clustered together and these ones are flat and normal. From there you chain up 1 and do 3 more double crochet in the next chain 1 space and chain up 1. And now we've made it to our corner. So we're about to make a corner. The corner for this round is in treble crochet. So you're going to go ahead and insert 3 treble crochet into that next chain 1 space. Then you're going to chain 1 and into the same chain 1 space, you're going to insert 3 more treble crochet. And that will complete your corner. So you can see the square starting to form. There's a circle here, and then the square is starting to be made on the outside. After you finish the corner, you chain up 1, and then you insert 3 double crochet in the next chain 1 space, like you just did before, and chain up 1, and then 3 more double crochet in the next chain 1 space, chain 1, and now you've met a corner again. So the corner is made again with 3 treble crochet, a chain 1, and 3 more treble crochet, all in the same chain 1 space. To follow the pattern of having 2 sets of 3 double crochet, chain 1 in between the corner, and the corner is 3 treble crochet, chain 1, and 3 treble crochet. So I'll meet you right here at the end of the round. So now we're coming up on the end of the row. I just finished my last chain 1. From here, we're going to go back into the very first chain 1 space we did and insert the remaining 3 treble crochets to complete the corner and finish off this round. So I just finished my 3rd one. I'm going to chain up 1 and slip stitch at the top of that chain 4, chain up 1 and cut my work. And we'll get started on round 4. Let's go ahead and get started on round 4. So insert your hook in any of the corner chain 1 spaces and attach the secondary color. Here we are going to chain up 3. And if you've ever made a granny square before, this is the typical granny square pattern we are now going to be following, but I'm still going to show you how. I left a little bit of a longer tail end so I could work it in. And this chain 3 does count as a double crochet. I'm going to insert 2 more double crochet into this corner and chain 1. And in every chain 1 space until we meet the corner, we are going to work 3 double crochet and a chain 1, just like we did in that previous row. So that was 3 double crochet, chain 1, and in here that is again 3 double crochet, chain 1, and one more time 3 double crochet, chain 1, and now we're at the corner. So the corner is pretty similar to what we just did, except we're just using double crochet. So you're going to do 3 double crochet, then you're going to chain 1, and then into the same chain space 3 more double crochet. Pretty similar pattern in all of the chain 1 spaces except for the corners, which are here, 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 and here. You're going to do 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet, chain 1, and when you get to a corner over here, you do 3 double crochet, chain 1, and 3 double crochet, all in the same stitch, and you continue that all the way around. I'll meet you here at the beginning of the row. So I just completed my last chain 1 and my last set of 3 double crochet. From here, I'm going to go into the same chain 1 space we started in and insert 3 double crochet. And then from there, I'm going to chain up 1, slip stitch to join at the top of the chain 3, chain up 1. You can go ahead, chain up 1 and cut your work. If you would like to learn how to join granny squares together, watch this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them down below. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.